Hello and welcome to this video showing how to create an appointment booking. Appointments are anything that require time slots, such as collecting or dropping off pets, grooming, walking or bathing. This red number here indicates the number of appointments you have scheduled for the day, and you can see all your appointments for the week on the calendar that opens when you press the Appointment tab. You can also use this calendar icon to give you an overview of how many appointments you have coming up over the next few months. At the top of the calendar, you can write notes for that day. These day notes link to the boarding and daycare calendar and are useful if you need reminding about anything happening that day, for instance if a delivery of pet food is arriving. Any notes added here are flagged up when you make a booking over that date. The appointment calendar is defaulted from 9 AM to 6 PM, but if you carry out appointments at different times, go to Account Settings, Default Time Settings. Whatever time frame you put in the Appointments section will be the time frame shown on the appointment calendar and clock. The next job is to list the appointments you offer under Account Settings, Appointments. Allocate a rate to each appointment. We have set up some appointments for you, but you can edit or delete these if they are not services you offer. If you have different rates for the same appointment, you can use the Special Rates feature to list your alternate rates and override the standard rate in the cost section of the booking. Please watch our video on special rates to see how this works. Now you are ready to create an appointment booking. You can either add an appointment to a daycare or boarding booking, or you can create an appointment-only booking. To do this, press Create Booking and go to the Appointment module. Select the appointment from the drop-down list here, choose the pet the appointment is for, select the date of the appointment, then the time, and the appointment will be added to the booking. If you want to add any additional details about the appointment, press the Add Additional Details button and complete the extra information boxes. If other people carry out appointments for you, they can be set up with their own individual appointment calendar under Account Settings, Sub-Users. They can then be assigned an appointment under the Add Additional Details tab, and the appointment will appear in their individual calendar. If you do not assign an appointment to anyone specific, it will default to anyone and appear in the Anyone column on the calendar. For more information about setting up individual appointment calendars, please watch our sub-user tutorial video. If you want to add a second appointment to the booking, simply press Add Another Appointment and follow the booking in steps. If you want to create an appointment for a different pet, press Add Another Pet and select the second pet's name from the drop-down list if it hasn't already appeared automatically. You can also create bookings from the appointment calendar. Click into the time cell you want the appointment to be booked from under the user who will be attending to the appointment, and you will be taken to the booking page to complete the booking details. There is an orange cross next to those appointments which have additional details. Click on the booking to open it and see these extra details. This edit pen allows you to open the booking if you need to make any changes. There are various calendar views. Use this Options drop-down to select individual staff members' calendars, and if you want to view all the appointments at once, then select the Team Calendar mode. You might want to limit the appointments that appear on the calendar. Do this by using the tick box under the Options menu. Select the appointment type you want displayed, for example grooming, press Go and only your grooming appointments will show. If you press this chevron icon here, a slide-in diary appears with a list of all the appointments you have for that day. This list can also be filtered using the tick boxes provided, and it includes check-ins and check-outs. This Excel icon allows you to download the list displayed on the screen to Excel, and the Excel version contains extra customer details such as their address and phone number, which you might find useful, especially if you offer transport. This icon here allows you to download all your appointments into Google Calendars. If you want to sync individual calendars to Google, go to that sub-user's calendar and press the Google Calendars button in the Options drop-down. Please note, only your appointments can be synced with Google Calendars. This function doesn't work for boarding or daycare bookings. Appointments can be printed off by using the Print button in the Options menu, and the printed version includes any additional details added to each appointment. If you do not need the appointment feature and don't want it to show on your booking screen, delete all the default appointments from Account Settings and the appointment module will disappear. You can always reintroduce this module at a later date by adding some appointments to the list if you need to.